Tools vocabulary: hammer, screwdriver, pliers, mallet, wrench, spanner, adjustable wrench, tape measure, level, Allen key, handsaw, hacksaw, scissors, chisel, file, utility knife, tin snips, wood plane, knife sharpener, vise, tongs, pruning shears, clamp, locking pliers, tweezers, nail puller, crowbar, pincers, suction cup tool, pipe wrench, electric drill, angle grinder, power screwdriver, heat gun, circular saw, jigsaw, glue gun, chainsaw, sander, power saw, trowel, brick hammer, cold chisel, measuring square, ruler, shovel, plumb line, spirit level, pickaxe, wheelbarrow, paintbrush, paint roller, scraper, mixing tray, work gloves, sandpaper, toolbox, safety goggles, workbench,